Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing something slightly different, not like a what if I did, but we're actually just going to be adding some new custom objects to my giant list here. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, I have quite a lot of custom objects here, but yeah, we're going to be adding a few more in today from, yeah, it's just sort of like a little continuation of the last episode where we did the brightest star ever discovered, or the most massive star, or whatever it is. Yeah, I know it's the most massive, but I don't know if it's the brightest as well, but yeah, correct me on that if I'm wrong, but it's definitely the most massive star. But yeah, so if we just go into new simulation here, there's also some other stars, because I did say in that video, is there any other stars that could rival it, like the pistol star? I haven't really, this pistol star isn't accurate though, my custom one here, since it is actually, where is it? Pistol star. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so the stats on this aren't wrong, or the size is correct, but the luminosity is wrong, I believe. So yeah, don't judge me on that bit. Yeah, this star here, I said it could be one of the only things that could rival this star that I know of, but there's actually some other stars as well that are also super luminous. So to my knowledge, this is still the brightest star, a luminosity of 8 million suns there. So pretty crazy stuff, but I think this could be wrong in the game. So I've just got some comments up here. And there's a star called Melnick34, which, one of you guys, you know who you are. Yeah, thanks for all the comments on it, I saw them. So, yeah, we need to actually go and create a new star. So, I may just base it off this star, make a copy of this, and just change the stats up a bit. So, this star is called Melnick. So, let's just start building it, honestly. So it's called, yeah, Melnick34 like this. Okay, so change the name. So this has a mass of 180 suns, so we're going to turn that off. We're going to put this to 180, like that. Okay, so it's 180. And its radius, where's this? Is this a radius? 15 sun radiuses. So if we go to sun here, let's make this 15, like that. And there we go. That is Melnick34. And then the luminosity as well is at 7 million. So, okay, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000, 700,000, and then 7 million. Okay, so that's 7 million. And there we go. That is Melnick34. So this is a new star we can play around with here. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So yeah, that is that. And there's also another one. So I'm going to go ahead and save this bad boy. So let's get you there. And just comparing it to R136A1. It is smaller. It is a little smaller than that. But I guess it makes sense since it does have less mass as well. It's not as luminous, so yeah, this guy's more of a beast, I guess. But yeah, these two are pretty dangerous nonetheless. I'm pretty sure both of these would roast the solar system. Well, this guy does, but I'm pretty sure this one here will as well. And even the pistol star, which I still need to research. Maybe I'll do it this episode, see how luminous it is. Because I believe the size is all right. I don't know about the mass, but I believe the radius I put in is correct. So yeah, there's that. Right, next up, there is another star, which is the second one. It's called R136C. So it's got 6.5 million luminosity. So we're going to go ahead and add you in. So let's just base it off this again. Let's go down here. Wait, I did to save that one, right? Let me just do it again just in case. Alright, so I've got this. So it is, this next star is, so it's R136 C. So like that. Yeah, and also I believe yeah, you said as well, the commenter, you know who you are. So it's from this star here is from a cluster known as R136 in the Large Magellanic Cloud. I can never pronounce that word. The Magellanic Cloud. It's I think it's in the game actually. It is this thing here. As you can, yeah, the bottom left one there. However you pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry guys, but I don't know how to pronounce that. So right, so this star has 20 radius of suns. We're gonna go and no, don't lock these. Dang it! Wait, let me do that. I don't want to mess with those. So let's go and quickly get a new one. No, not the crab pulsar. That one there. Okay, perfect. So right, so this guy has a mass of. So this one has a mass of 230 suns. So a little less mass than the the most massive star. So we're gonna put it to 230. And it has a size of 20 suns, or radius of 20 suns. So let's go and do that. And there we go. So, yeah, size of 20 solar radius, 230 masses of sun, which I've done. And then its luminosity is 6.5 million. So let's turn that to a 6. And then do it like that. So that's 6.5 now. So, yeah, let me just, wait, is that 6.5? Let me just add the numbers. So that's 100, 1,000, 10,000. 500, yeah, so 6.5 million. So let's go and change the name again. So it's R136. Is it R136C? So I'm guessing both of these are in the same system since they have similar names. Maybe? Yeah, R136C. Huh, interesting. So yeah, these are like the killer stars of the Milky Way here, and then obviously the Pistol Star as well. Actually, while I'm here, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna actually research that right now. So let's check here. So just bear with me, guys. Anyways, hopefully you're all having a good day. So yeah, Pistol Star mass. So I do want to get this right. So, does it say so? Dang it, it doesn't say. I don't know what that means. There's some weird thing here. Yeah, it's saying the mass of 27.5 m, but I don't know what that m is. So it's 10 million times as luminous as the sun, apparently. Is that right? Wait, is this the most luminous star then? Because this says, from what one of these websites is saying, it says it's almost 10 million times as luminous as the sun. So if it's almost 10 million times, let's put it to 900,000 maybe. Oh no, 9 million, not 9. So how bright? So this is 8 million, but I believe this is wrong. I'm not sure. Let me just check on that. It's pretty complicated. So it does say 8 million suns, but from what I'm reading here, the Pistol Star it says almost 10 million or 10 million. Yeah, it says. Earlier reports suggested it might be the most luminous star known, being almost 10 million times as luminous as the sun. So, is the Pistol Star brighter than R1 here? This is the most massive star, but is it the brightest as well? I don't know. Yeah, can someone research the Pistol Star? Because from what I'm saying, it says almost 10 million, but it doesn't give an actual result of what it actually is. So, I can try and find the mass of it again. So it says 306 solar radiuses, I believe the Pistol Star has. So, wow, this is the most complicated I've done, or the most complicated episode I think I've ever made. There's so many things here. Wow, this is really. Yeah, someone please find some Pistol Star stats because I can't find them. Light year. Huh. Yeah, I literally don't know. Just try and find the Pistol Star here. So here's the Pistol Star. Can I try and find the mass? So it's got I think it's got 306 solar radiuses. So if I just put this to sun quickly. Oh, so it is 306. Yeah, I have had it correct. So how much mass does it have? So apparently it has 27, so it has 27 solar mass from what I'm reading here. So it has 27 solar mass, has a radius of 306 suns, which is equivalent to 1.42 AU, making it a very large star. And then the surface temperature of the Pistol Star, so you just go back here. So the Pistol Star's temperature, where is it? I think I already read it somewhere. I think it's about 11,000 degrees. So let's just quickly fix that. So like that. Okay, so that is correct now. So let me just go and save that. So that's an updated Pistol Star. So yeah, that's fine. So yeah, if I'm wrong on any of these stats, the luminosity I don't know, but I believe these are all correct. So mass, radius, and the surface temperature, they're correct. The age doesn't really matter, but luminosity. Anyone know how much luminosity it has? Because it just says, from what I'm reading here, it just says it has almost 10 million times. So that means it should be in the 9 million area. So does that mean it's more luminous than R136C or R136A1 is? Because this is 8 million. So yes, one of you please correct me if this is wrong. Because I don't know, but I'm just going to leave it at 9 million for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and just save all these. We don't need to save this one since it's already an object in the game. But yeah, this one here, we're going to save you. And then Melnick, we just save you again. So now, they should be in my list here. So let's have a look. So there's Melnick, and then there's that one. Okay, they're both there. I need to organise them to get them up here. So yeah, I'll do that eventually. But yeah, these guys are now in the solar system. Or not the solar system, my custom object list. So got some good stuff in here. But yeah, Pistol Star. If any of you know how luminous it is, please share it. Because I really want to know. Like, from what I'm reading here, it just says almost 10 million. And I don't really know much about the Pistol Star either, so yeah, my apologies on my lack of knowledge, I guess. But yeah, I can't know everything, right? Oh yeah, so it says surface temperature of the Pistol Star is 11,800 degrees apparently. So let's go and enter that in. So that's updated. But it doesn't say how luminous it is. So that kind of, yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, but yeah, someone please tell me how luminous this guy is, and then if this one is wrong, because I believe I heard or saw one of you guys once said this luminosity is wrong here. So yeah, please share some knowledge with me on that one. But yeah, there we go. So let's just quickly go ahead and save the updated Pistol Star, and there we go. So now we've got some really bright stars to muck around with in NAFSO. So if you guys have got any ideas of what we can do with these 4 stars here, let me know in the comments down below, because we could destroy so many things with these stars. It's because these are so bright. You may think, oh, UI Scotty is the brightest because it's the biggest, but no, biggest doesn't always mean the brightest. So yeah, these are the brightest stars in the game, or in my game anyway, since I've got custom objects, as you can see. So this is going to get pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and make this sort of like a little second part to the episode. So let's go to the TRAPPIST-1 system and let's roast it. So let's go to the TRAPPIST-1 here. So here's my TRAPPIST-1, this is my custom TRAPPIST-1 system. I remember I made this before they added it to the game. But anyway, so we'll go to the actual TRAPPIST-1. So yeah, this is the one the game added in. So mine's pretty similar to this. So here's TRAPPIST-1 solar system. So what we're going to do is, we can't even put the star in the center because the star's just too big. Like if we tried, let's just say we want to put this one in here, it covers the whole system. These stars are so big that they cover the whole TRAPPIST system. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put one there, then we're going to put this one here, then we're going to get the Pistol Star as well, which is obviously the brightest one in my game right now, but that could change. So we're going to put the Pistol Star, look how bright that is. So we've got the Pistol Star there, and then last but not least, we're going to get R1 here, which is the most massive star. Then we're going to position lock them all. So let's go and do that. So let's go on motion, position lock, then R1 position lock. We're going to position lock you as well. Melnick will position lock you, and then TRAPPIST-1 will also position lock you because we don't need supernovas. So now let's slow down time, and this system is not going to stand a chance. Remember, all these objects are a little bigger than Earth or a little smaller than Earth. So yeah, I think they're screwed. Look at this. No matter where they look, or no matter where you look on the surface, there is blue stars everywhere. And then we've got little TRAPPIST-1. Look at our poor TRAPPIST-1. That's poor little system. It's just going to go down. So damn. This is going to be insane. So let's slow it down to 1 second. So pretty much real time here. We're going to hit play. Check the temperatures. Oh my god. Look at this. This is happening at 600 milliseconds. So this is happening slower than real time. And look, they are already losing material. So this is insane. Every single one of them is losing material. Because remember, these guys are tiny, these planets. They're not very large at all. Some of them are only a little bigger than Earth. So there's no gas giants here. So look at this, 40,000 degrees Celsius. That is insane. Then we've got TRAPPIST-1D as well. Also 40 degrees or 40,000. So yeah, these are all going to be around 40,000 degrees. Once we speed up time to a few seconds now, so we're traveling at 2 seconds a second. Actually, let's go up to about a few minutes maybe. Look at the mass. They're just losing all their mass. Look, the mass is going down. Like, actually, let's just put them in a giant rack so we can actually see them all. So let's go to radius. Zoom in all the way here. Right, so here are our planets. Now let's just watch. Look at this. All of them. Every single one here. If I can actually select them, please. Well, yeah, here we go. So the mass. Look at that. All the temperatures are increasing. The mass on every single one of them is all going down. Look at this. They're just all going down. This is insane. The mass is going down on you as well. Look at even the largest ones. They're just losing the mass too quickly. This is insane. This is just absolutely crazy. Let's speed up a little more now. They're just going to look. They're all just destroying. They're all just getting roasted into nothing. Look, they're all just evaporating. Oh, poor planets. They just got turned into nothing. And that's that. That's that. So all that's left is TRAPPIST-1. So yeah, look, it's just all smoke and stuff everywhere. So TRAPPIST-1, let's unlock you. Let's see which one you want to go to and get revenge on, if it even makes a supernova. So let's see what TRAPPIST-1 can do. Let's see if it can avenge any of its fallen planets. So, TRAPPIST-1, where are you heading? Sorry. Oh, is it heading to, yeah, R136A1? Looks like it is. Wow, look how bright all this is. This is insane. Oh, the Rouge limit of each star is tearing the other ones. If we just look here, if we just turn off graphics, I may have put the stars too close to each other. Look, there's all fragments here, and these are fragments from the stars because they have over a mass of one sun. So all this fragments here, all this giant glow in the middle, I think these stars are tearing each other apart because they're too close to each other. So TRAPPIST-1. TRAPPIST-1's just being torn into nothingness. Oh no, it's gaining mass actually. No, I tell a lie, it's gaining mass. And it's gone. It just blew. I think we overdosed it a bit with mass. Yeah, that must be what happened because, yeah, if you give little stars too much mass, they just explode. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure TRAPPIST-1 sucking up all of that material from all the other stars must have made it go pop. So, there's that now. If we just speed up time here. Anything else? Look, these two stars are just absorbing each other. Now they're going to collide. Oh my god, look at this. What is going on? Have we just made... Whoa. That is a big star. Oh my... It's bigger than the pistol star is. Look at this. They're inside. I don't even know what's going on. Why is this not novaed? So, there you go. Wow, that is... What if we turn off position lock? Oh, that just ate them all. This star, how is it not novaed? How much mass does this have? 400 suns in mass. It's basically, this is all of the biggest stars, all the most massive stars combined. Damn, this thing is just now a titan. Its luminosity is still the same, but damn. Let's put it on a 1v1 view, Scotty. Oh, and no one wins. Well, oh well. Rest in peace, bright stars. So there we go. Now we just got tons of supernovas just exploding into nothingness. So, damn, that game over game. So now we just have a black hole of UI Scotty in the middle. So yeah, all those stars are dead. But yeah, there we go. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this sort of different sort of video, since I don't really do many videos on creating custom objects. So hopefully you enjoyed this sort of like one-off. And yeah, please someone tell me how much mass the pistol star has, and if where is it? And if this star R136A1, if its luminosity is correct, because I'm pretty sure I do remember someone saying it was wrong. So if we just add it in again, so the game says it has 8,050,000 mass. Is that correct? Let me just read the comments here just so I'm not missing anything. So yeah, I think that's all right. So yeah, someone please tell me the pistol star's radius, or not the radius, the pistol star's luminosity, because yeah, I really want to know that so I can add it in properly. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoy this video. If you've got any ideas to what I should do with these super blue stars, the most luminous stars in the galaxy, then yeah, just leave a comment down below. I always read the comments within 24 hours of a video being up. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, make sure you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Pretty dangerous nonetheless. I'm pretty sure both of these would roast the solar system. Well, this guy does, but I'm pretty sure this one here will as well. And even the pistol star, which I still need to research. Maybe I'll do it this episode, see how luminous it is. Because I believe the size is all right. I don't know about the mass, but I believe the radius I put in is correct. So yeah, there's that. Right, next up, there is another star, which is the second one. It's called R136C. So it's got 6.5 million luminosity. So we're going to go ahead and add you in. So let's just base it off this again. Let's go down here. Wait, I did to save that one, right? Let me just do it again just in case. Alright, so I've got this. So it is, this next star is, so it's R1. Luminosity as well is at 7 million. So, okay, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000, 700,000, and then 7 million. Okay, so that's 7 million. And there we go, that is Melnick 34. So this is a new star we can play around with here. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So yeah, that is that. And there's also another one. So I'm going to go ahead and save this bad boy. So let's get you there. And just comparing it to R136A1, it is smaller. It is a little smaller than that. But I guess it makes sense since it does have less mass as well. It's not as luminous. So yeah, this guy's more of a beast, I guess. But yeah, these two... I'll comment on it, I saw them. So yeah, we need to actually go and create a new star. So I may just base it off this star, make a copy of this and just change the stats up a bit. So this star is called Melnick. So let's just start building it honestly. So it's called yeah, Melnick 34 like this. Okay, so change the name. So this has a mass of 180 suns. So we're going to turn that off. We're going to put this to 180 like that. Okay, so it's 180. And its radius, where's this? Is this a radius? 15 sun radiuses. So if we go to sun here, let's make this 15 like that. And there we go. That is Melnick 34. And then Lulu. This pistol star isn't accurate though, my custom one here, since it is actually, where is it? Pistol star. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so the stats on this aren't wrong, or the size is correct, but the luminosity is wrong, I believe. So yeah, don't judge me on that bit. Yeah, this star here, I said it could be one of the only things that could rival this star that I know of, but there's actually some other stars as well that are also super luminous. So to my knowledge, this is still the brightest star, a luminosity of 8 million suns there. So pretty crazy stuff, but I think this could be wrong in the game. So I've just got some comments up here. And there's a star called Melnick 34, which, one of you guys, you know who you are. Yeah, thanks for all the Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. And today, we're doing something slightly different, not like a what if I did, but we're actually just going to be adding some new custom objects to my giant list here. So, yeah, as you can see, yeah, I have quite a lot of custom objects here, but yeah, we're going to be adding a few more in today from, yeah, this is sort of like a little continuation of the last episode where we did the brightest star ever discovered, or the most massive star, or whatever it is. Yeah, I know it's the most massive, but I don't know if it's the brightest as well. But yeah, correct me on that if I'm wrong. But it's definitely the most massive star. But yeah, so if we just go into new simulation here, there's also some other stars. Because I did say in that video, is there any other stars that could rival it, like the pistol star? I haven't really